Okay, so good afternoon. This is the continuation of our lesson, which is about the arithmetic sequence. So, what if the given problem is like this? So, in the sequence -4, -1, 2, +5, so what is n if a sub n is 593? So, the first thing that you are going to do is to find all the given in the problem. So since we have here the given first term, which is -4, so a sub 1 is -4. Next, we also have the common difference. By subtracting the second term, -1, to the first term, which is -4, so we have -1 minus -4. The common difference is 3. So we have -4 as a sub 1, positive 3 as your common difference. And another given in the problem is a sub n is 593. So in order you to get the n here, so to solve for n, first is you are going to use the formula of the n term or the general term of the arithmetic sequence. So we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So since we have already a given of a sub n, which is 593, let us substitute a sub n as 593 is equal to a sub 1 is given -4 plus n minus 1 times d. Our d is 3. Since we're going to solve for n, so still, we will just copy n minus 1. Okay? And then, apply distributive property. So we will write 593 equals -4 plus 3 times n, 3n, -1 times 3, we have -3. And then, combine numerical terms or combine like terms. So this one and this one. So we have 593 is equal to -4 plus -3. We got -7 plus 3n. Next, add 7 to both sides. So you're going to add 7 to both sides. So plus 7 here and another plus 7 here. And then simplify your answer. So -7 plus 7, that is 0. Okay, so natira natin is 3n. So 7 plus 593, we get 600. And then, in order you to eliminate the number here, you have to divide, in order you to get the value of n, divide here, both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we got n. So 600 divided by 3, that is 200. So now we have our value of n, which is 200. Okay, so we can conclude since n is equal to 200, then 593 is the 200th term of the sequence. Okay, so now let's have our next slide. So next example, so dito naman, we're going to write a formula for the n term of the arithmetic sequence 12, 19, 16, 12, 19, 26, 33, 40. So if you observe, each term is 7 more than the previous term. So therefore, our common difference here is 7. So that is 19 minus 12, 7. And our first term is given here also, which is 12. So our a sub 1 is 12. In order you to get the formula for the n term of this given arithmetic sequence, so we will use the n term or general term formula for the arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times t. So we have a sub n is equal to ang a sub 1 natin na given ay 12 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, which is 7. And then we have a sub n is equal to 12 plus, by using the distributive property, multiply 7n, 7 times n, so we have 7n, and then 7 times -1, -7. And then combine like terms, so 12 and -7. So we have a sub n is equal to 7n, so 12 plus -7, so that is +5. So, kung napapansin ninyo, meron na tayong nabuong formula, which is a sub n is equal to 7n plus 5. Now, to check your answer or your formula is correct, so by using this formula, a sub n is equal to 7n plus 5, so we will replace n as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's have the first term, a sub 1, 7 times 1 plus 5, that is 12. And then second term, a sub 2, so n is 2 plus 5 equals 19. And a sub 3 is equal to 7 times 3 for the third term. Okay, we have 26. So as you can see, they are just the same. So meaning, tama po yung nakuha nating formula.